Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. A bit more on football now. The English Premier League has warned that the football economy would be unsustainable without fans in stadiums after the British government postponed the plans to allow the return of limited crowds from October. Prime Minister Boris Johnson told the Parliament that as part of new restrictions,
I recognise the implications for our sports clubs, which are the life and soul of our communities, and my right honourable friends, the Chancellor and Culture Secretary, are working urgently on what we can do now to support them.
The partial reopening would have given sports a funding boost after months of empty stadiums. The Premier League expressed disappointment and said it was certain from evidence in Europe that fans in stadiums could be as safe or even safer than at any other public activity currently permitted. The Premier League said its members suffered £700 million or US $895 million in losses last season, and the national game was losing more than £100 million a month with a devastating impact on clubs and communities.